Hello everyone, we're continuing our unboxings and I'm wearing gloves today because with the increased risks of pandemic I decided to open my parcels in gloves. Actually, according to the recommendations we get here, is that getting parcels is totally safe. But anyways, I don't know where this packaging was. So, what I got today? We got these nice sports shoes from China. They look pretty nice. They're like, oh, it's inside. It has quite nice outline. Oh, and it's quite furry. It must be warm and nice. It's designed 2020. Great. That was all today. I will try to show you how it really looks on the foot. I will add this to the video. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned and stay healthy. See you.